What's up, guys? My name's Mike on audio here. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's not going to be a review. It's not going to be an educational video. It's going to be me unboxing something I actually won that's really cool. I normally don't enter contests because I'm not used to winning contests. I couldn't even tell you the last time I won a contest. So I entered this contest on Instagram. Kimber Kable was having a super cool giveaway. And I'm like, why not, you know? So after I entered and did all the things, I forgot about it. And a couple days ago, they contacted me from Kimber Kable and they said, hey man, you won, you know? So I'm super excited. I normally don't have a lot of, I guess, arrangements with cable companies because I don't do a lot of cable content on my video. So this is kind of fresh for me because this is cool because I never, ever get a chance to show you guys cables, which is rad. So let's keep it kind of, you know, civil in the comments, guys. I know a lot of people have, you know, their opinions about cables and how they work and everything. I respect everybody's opinion. You know, I have my own thoughts about the whole cable thing, so I don't share it with you guys because honestly it's like talking about politics or religion on here, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to get involved with that. I'd rather keep it super cool. So let's take this for what it is. It's an awesome box of cool stuff from Kimber Kable that I want to share with you. So as long as we can keep that mindset, I think we'll be okay. I'm using my trusty cool knife, katana knife I got from Amazon. If it can ever open. There we go. This thing's pretty freaking rad. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. I kind of got an idea of what's inside, but I don't know. It's always cool to open stuff up. All right, let's open this up. I should have like a camera right here peeking inside, but I guess I'm not that fancy yet. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, right off the bat, super cool t-shirts from Kimber Kable. Nice t-shirt. So I guess I'm going to be wearing some Kimber Kable shirts on my channel. Oh, wow. There's quite a few t-shirts, guys. So there's a blue one, same logo, a gray one, like a light blue one. Guys, if you guys need clothes, Kimber Kable has a pretty nice selection. Ooh, a hoodie. A hoodie with Kimber Kable on it. I'm going to be all Kimber Kabled out here soon. Awesome, guys. Thank you, Kimber Kable. This is really nice, like Christmas. Very cool. Very cool. What else we got? Ooh, we got a little package here. What happened? I think this was a keychain. Did it fall? Oh no. The keychain is MIA, guys. Sorry. All right, what else we got here? Oh, cool. A water bottle. This is cool because I have taken up hiking. And, well, I'm lying to you. I tried to take up hiking. I ended up actually enjoying rock hounding. So my fiance and I have been actually rock hounding. And this will come in handy when we go rock hounding because she's always getting on me because I need to drink more water. So that is rad. Thank you, guys. What else we got? I found the Kimber. Oh, this is nice. Keychain. It's like wood. This is super cool. Wooden keychain. This is rad, guys. Thank you so much, Kimber Kable. You guys are great. This is incredible. All right, what do we got here? Uh-oh. Now we're getting into the heavy-duty stuff. Ooh, PK10 1 meter power cord. Should we open it up? Why not? Oh, wow. Holy crap, this is nice. Ooh. Look at that. It says Kimber Kable PK Ascent 10. This is beautiful. Very nice work. I dig it. Very cool. I could tell already Kimber Kable has some really cool attention to detail with their products, so that's really rad. Okay, what else we got? Next in line. Ooh, analog interconnect. Analog interconnect Hero, 1 meter. Let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, this is very nice. Hero analog interconnect. So, RCA cables. Nice. Very cool. Okay, here we go. I think this is what everybody... Yeah. This is what everybody was waiting for right here. I did see these on Instagram, and I thought they were pretty rad. So, oh wow. Okay. Wow. So this is 2.5 meters. S-band 12 TC loudspeaker. Wow. This is heavy duty. Like, feels like really good quality. Braided. You know, nice simple terminations. I think this is going to be really rad, guys. So there's obviously 2 speaker cables. One for... They're intertwined. All right, cool. There's a pair of them. So yeah, awesome. This is really rad. This is like honestly like Christmas, and Kimber Kable really hooked it up. Thank you guys so much for hooking it up. I really appreciate it. You know, I might do something interesting later on with cable stuff. Guys, hit me in the comments below. I know I told you not to, but do it anyways. Hit me in the comments below. Let me know. If you do want to see cable content, what do you want to see? What do you want me to cover? What do you want me to talk about? I know obviously everybody talks about, oh, you know, cables, are they real or this is make-believe? Obviously, they're real. They're right here. Give me some actual thought-provoking topics to talk about with cables. If you guys can provide me that, I'd be more than happy to do my research, talk to the right people, and cover it. I've never really dove into it, you know, so I'd like to dive into it. So it is what it is. So yeah, if you have any good ideas, let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to throw a party with the like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified every time a new video is born. With all that said and done, folks, I will see you on the next one. And I'm gonna go put some t-shirts on and hook up these cables because I'm pretty excited. Thanks a lot.